So if you wanna see the step count on your Samsung phone using the pedometer, and also if you want just to check on your step count, because in most phones it's enabled by the default, you gotta locate your Samsung Health application. It's a built-in app. Usually you can find it in the Samsung folder. So open it up, find your Samsung Health, then scroll down to your steps count. Here it is. Tap on the three dots, and if you don't have it enabled already, you have resume step counting option here. Simply tap on it and it will be enabled. On my phone, it's enabled by the default. So here you can see the whole statistics in 7 days, 31 days, 12 months, and so forth, right? If you want to add a widget, so it would be more suitable for you and comfortable for you, find a blank space on your home screen. Hold your finger there. Now in this menu, we gotta choose our widgets, right? Choose our widgets. And here we're gonna scroll down to our Samsung Health widgets. Here they are. Here is your steps count. Now tap here, press add. And basically there it is. You can redrag it anywhere you want. You can resize it, of course, just like this. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.